Hello friends, this is Julie here, and I am going to show you how to turn this bottle of Thieves laundry detergent into 3 bottles of laundry detergent. So this is my green and clean laundry soap, and it has no harsh chemicals, and it's made from Young Living. And I have to do this maybe twice a year. The detergent is so concentrated it lasts me forever. So let me show you what to do. So first off, I get these bottles from Amazon, and I should have looked up to see what the size was, but they're fairly large bottles, and they come with a pumper top. Okay, so I take the 1 bottle of Thieves, divide it into 3 equal parts. Then I add a 1/4 cup of Thieves household cleaner, to each bottle. Then I add 5 drops of lemon, five drops of Thieves, and 5 drops of Digize. Okay. Then I fill them with filtered water. Forgot to bring over. Oops, a little full there. Put the sprayer top or the pump top on. Wipe the bottle off. Now I shake that up. And when I use it, I use 10 pumps per load. Now that I have an empty Thieves jug, see if I can peel this label off. and attach it to this bottle. Let's see if it'll stick. Nope, it doesn't look like it's going to stick. So I'll get some glue and put it on. But now I have 3 bottles of laundry detergent for the price of 1. And I love this laundry detergent. Okay, guys. Check back. I'm going to do a stain remover post. So, see you next time.